My name is Mr. Nyariendera. I'm Pine House College principal.
My name is Slagsedes Pemiwa. I am the director of the school. We are situated at corner Nelson Mandela and 3rd Street, opposite the old Parliament. It is a conducive environment.
Pine House College is a privately owned institution that is offering education for classes from Form 1 to Form 6. We at Pine House, we offer a broad spectrum of subjects that is ranging from commercials, arts, and sciences for all levels from Form 1 to Form 6.
I like Pine House College because it enables us to do different things, explore different careers.
I believe Pine House is a nice school. It encourages us to work hard. It enables students to pass in their subjects, and it has other activities too. Pine House is an excellent choice, and I believe every student should join Pine House.
In the morning, we have our prayers, and once a week, we have a pastor or someone coming to talk to our children. As teachers and the ancillary staff and the administration, we also have prayers. We have days of prayers.
Talking about academics, talking about sports, clubs and all, it has always been a school that I think you as a parent or as a student, you should try.
We offer both Cambridge and ZIMSEC curriculum, and we are priding on the two curricula so that they complement each other.
When I first came to Pine House, I was a quiet kid, and not a lot of people had many interests, but the one thing that really spiked my interest was the clubs. Pine House currently offers Toastmasters, chess, first aid, and robotics.
When I came to Pine House College, the first thing that attracted me was the infrastructure. It was really clean, and it was really attractive to me because it looked better than the other institutions that I visited. Another thing that I liked about Pine House was that the teachers, especially my teachers, are very passionate, and they make me understand hard concepts, especially in English literature and sociology and history. Another thing that I like about Pine House is that the students are really friendly and everyone is like a family to me.
The discipline here is very good, and the pass rate, 95% pass rate is not a joke, but here at Pine House, they are aiming to get even 100%.
I like Pine House College because it's a house of excellence, a school that is cool, a school that has everything. It's a school that has a future for me, and I'm in the science class. That will help me to build up my career.
We have highly qualified and experienced staff, and we are a school that's making use of ICTs, and we are using latest technologies in our teaching, and we are trying by all means to create an all-rounded student who can cover sports, academics, as well as perform a lot of other things that make them useful citizens. We have a well-furnished and equipped computer lab which caters for the teaching of computer science, as well as information and communication technology and IT for Cambridge A-level.
There is security here. When the children come in the morning, they will only leave the premises when they are going home. And that is not found in many places. And the idea of a CCTV helps us. We don't talk the language of drugs in this college because whatever they do, we are always seeing them.
We pride on having our school covered 100% by CCTV cameras. From here, the head's office, I can see what is happening in every class, which makes me also be aware of what my teachers are doing and what our students will be doing. This is not only to be checking on them, it is only to deal with issues of security for our learners, even misbehavior that learners can try to do while in class.
Our teachers are very happy. We give them incentives, some hampers. Why are we doing this? We are doing this so that the teachers are happy, and when they are happy, they do the best.
At some point, I was a prideful individual who did not value others' opinions. My word was gospel. However, when I came to Pine House, I gradually became a humble person who respects, values, and accommodates diverse opinions. I now move by the quote which says, humbleness is independent of age. By that I mean you should respect everyone in every aspect regardless of their age. In a nutshell, the Pine House Christian environment changed me for the better. That's why I love the school.
So with Pine House, you would have not made a mistake. Really, you will, we actually offer the value for your money. You are guaranteed there is no bullying. Your children will be safe and secure, among as many other benefits that we offer as a school.